What's up fam? So this is another clothing review, and this time it's from the guys from Cosmonaut Spacewear, and I'm really excited about this one, so let's get it. Guys, I'm telling you, if you like anime or that anime genre, this is definitely a brand to get behind. Cosmonauts has been doing like clothing for a while now, and they've been around for a couple of collections, and every time they do a drop it's always amazing. So if you like the whole comic strip vibe, graphics and all the really cool stuff like that, this is definitely a good brand to get behind. And not just that guys, I'm telling you, like the whole experience with what Cosmonauts give you in their packaging is always, it's always a flex, because they always have really cool packaging. They always give out heaps of stickers, and they always give out all these really cool little like other details. Like I got this other one time this package, and they give you like a cassette tape case that has a Cosmonauts branding on it and that kind of stuff. So it's really cool, very creative, and it's definitely something I really enjoy wearing. So let's get into these items, shall we? So I should probably go and start out and say that every like purchase that you usually get, you get a comic book, and I've seen like the kind of comic books that they usually give out every time you make a purchase. It's always very detailed, very cool, very fun to actually watch. And also, as I said before guys, you get stickers. So they don't usually give you just one, they give you a bunch as well. That's one of the things I really enjoy about the Cosmonauts brand, Cosmonaut Spacewear brand. And look at this guys, they even give you these cards. I don't know if you can see, it says the rocket race. As you can see there, they give out cards as well. And this one they gave me 3, so this is Bruno, Stone Cold and Funky Frog. But yeah, anyway, let's get into the actual clothing. And the packaging, as I gotta say once again guys, is on fleek. You can see there, they wrap it up nicely. It's like literally, it's like a toy almost packaging. Like that's what it looks like. And it's always, look at that guys, look at the packaging. It's so like very vibrant. It's so sick. That's why I really like Cosmonauts. They go over and beyond with all their packaging. Anyway, so this package comes with the actual paper coming around it, and it's got a little sticker there with Vlad. If you guys don't know, Vlad is the main character in most of the comic strips that Cosmonauts Spacewear has. So, and check it. Oh, I can see from the back. Okay, very plain from the front, and check out the back. Check out the back. That is sick. What is it? It's sort of like a burger. Hey, this is my kind of thing, man. It's my kind of t-shirt. It's got a burger on the back. And look at the colors, guys. And what I like about it, it's like the kind of print is not like just one huge, what do you call it, like square or rectangle. It's actually divided up into little sections, and it's like you could see that it has a lot of quality. That's why I like about space like Cosmonauts Spacewear. This is definitely a vibe. It's very cool. I'm trying to already think about all the kind of outfits I could wear, or like the kind of sneakers I can wear with this, because this is definitely a vibe. And it's got Cosmonauts out on the left as well. And it's got the tags here as well. I don't know if you guys can see. Oops. Cosmonauts there. So they go into, as I said before, a lot of great detailing with not just their packaging, but most importantly with their clothing. So this is the second one. Let's unbox this and wrap it now. I'm always like really kind of paranoid, or like really careful with the paper. I don't know, I like the paper, like that comes with sneakers and stuff. I always try to keep it into the best shape as possible. I never like ripping it. Okay, so this is a white one. Scuba Wheel Diving Squad. Scuba Wheel? I don't know if that's what it says. Scuba Wheel, and it's got Cosmonauts on the back. Hey, definitely some vibes with this one. I like this one, pink and blue. What can I wear with this one? Oh damn, you can see it already, bro. You can see it. Hey, you can see the vibes. It's got the indigo on the thing. It's gonna look sick, way sick. Definitely a good, and like what I like about it is like the feel of the actual the t-shirt is very thick. It's very nice. It's like you could definitely tell that it's not one of those really cheap quality t-shirts that they've used. So that's why like even my old what do you call, Cosmonauts t-shirt. I still have them today and I still wear them because they're great quality. So this is the last one. Opening up for you guys. Paper again. Oh no, I ripped it. Definitely a mad vibe. And it's got the pink at the front. Cosmonauts. What's this one? Suck soda. Shopping trolley. Guys running amok inside the what is it, a bar or is it like a soda shop? And it's just got the Cosmonauts on the back. So this is definitely a good vibe, and I could definitely wear those again, like my New Balances with these. It's gonna be sick. It's damn got a sick vibe, really small. And what I like about it as well is like especially in summer, it's really bad wearing like those big vinyl, the ones with the huge like square or one whole piece worth of like print on the t-shirt, because your chest or like your front just gets all sweaty because of that print on the t-shirt. And I like these ones because it's kind of small, and like what I like about it once again is that the t-shirt of the quality is good, so it doesn't really matter if you like sweat a lot, because yeah, it's like it's nice like to the touch and to the skin. So that's something I can really appreciate, and all the detailing that they go into their actual products. As you can see there's like a whole spiel that they have put on the actual tag as well with Cosmonauts. It's definitely a vibe, man. So something I really like about Cosmonauts, and that's why I usually see them all around the place, especially when I go to Singapore or what do you call it, events out in Sydney, out in Melbourne as well. So it's always good to see Otto and the Cosmonauts brand going around, especially as they go places like TKS, so where we always get to see each other and, you know, have a good time. So the Kickz Stand as well, make sure to go follow the brand and have a look, because yeah, they do have you know, Cosmonauts usually come out and support the Kickz Stand as well. So you know, do your boys a solid and go check out the website Cosmonaut Spacewear, and also check out TKS. So once again, thank you to Jay, and also a great big thank you to Andre for helping me make this video. This is probably my favorite t-shirt, the navy blue, because it's got the burger on the back. I love burgers, and he's wearing sneakers too, so obviously it's a you know, it's a no-brainer for me. So this is gonna be sick. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot, especially come the summer. Not too bad, if you don't mind me saying myself. Looks pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see. It feels nice, guys. As I said before, the quality, it's not like I'm surprised, but just putting it on again like a fresh tee, it's like feels good, really good. So fits really nice, especially for a big guy like me. I don't know, complements my body shape. But yeah, I just really like this t-shirt. This is definitely probably my favorite t-shirt out of all of them. Yeah, thank you once again to Jay, and also to Automan, the Cosmonauts head honcho. So thanks you once again, guys, for helping me to get you know, letting this happen and all this kind of stuff. So guys, please let me know what your comments are below about this actual brand. Do you like the whole concept of like Vlad and the whole collection and the kind of, you know, comic cartoon strip vibe that they have going on with Cosmonaut Spacewear? Let me know in the comments down below. It's definitely something I really do hope you guys get behind, because they're a really cool brand. And yeah, thanks once again for watching this video. And yeah, please, if you do like the video, please give me that big thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please consider subscribing to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Ben, shout out to Cosmonauts, Andre, Jay from TKS for letting this happen. Damn, this is a vibe. I can't wait to make this video. Let's get it.
say bustin'.